In this video, I'll show you how to connect a bank account to QuickBooks. First, log into your QuickBooks account and open the company you want to use. Next, go to Transactions in the left sidebar and select Bank Transactions. Now click Connect Account to start linking your bank account. Search for your bank by entering its name in the search field, then select the correct bank from the results. After that, follow the instructions provided by your bank to securely sign in to your online banking account. Depending on your bank, you may need to complete an additional security step, such as entering a verification code. Next, select the bank account or accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. If QuickBooks asks you to choose an account type or accounting account, select the option that matches the bank account you're connecting. After that, click Connect and wait for QuickBooks to finish the connection. Once the connection is complete, QuickBooks will begin downloading recent transactions from your bank. Now return to the Bank Transactions page and review the downloaded transactions. You can then categorize each transaction and add or match it to the correct accounting records. Finally, check that the bank account balance and recent transactions are appearing correctly in QuickBooks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a bank account to QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.